Hi everyone, Miss Barb here with STEM Stuff. Today we're going to make something ooey and gooey and sticky and slimy. Oobleck. It's inspired by this book by Dr. Seuss, Bartholomew and the Oobleck. What is neat about Oobleck is that it's both a liquid and a solid at the same time. Let's get started. But make sure you have your parents' permission first. You don't need much, but go ahead and gather these items. You'll need a big bowl, some cornstarch, a 1 cup measuring cup, some water, about 1/2 cup, a spoon, and some food coloring. I chose green to make it look more like the Oobleck in the book, but you can make it any color. And if you don't have any food coloring, it's okay. It's still fun, it'll just be white. First, measure 1 cup of cornstarch and put it into the bowl. Next, measure about 1/2 cup of water and add a few drops of your food coloring to it. You can also double this recipe if you would like to make an extra amount of Oobleck. Give it a little stir. Now we're going to pour it slowly into our cornstarch. So we're going to pour some in, not all of it. Give it a little stir. If you can still see the white powder, then you're going to need more water. If it's too runny and too slimy, then you're going to need to add some more cornstarch. Okay, it should look like this. Hit it or poke it and it should feel hard like a wall. But then when you scoop some up and squeeze it, it turns into that ooey gooey liquid. Have fun and play with it. I like to squeeze it like this into a ball and then just let it melt right through my fingers. When you're done, make sure you clean up your mess, but don't put it down the sink. It'll clog up your drain. Just throw it in the trash or put it in a bag and save it for later. I hope you like your ooey gooey Oobleck. See you next time with more STEM stuff.